Right-click on the empty area below. In the drop-down menu, select Create. In the bottom area, create a C# script file. Rename it. The script should always be called what its task is. In this case, he will be responsible for the movement, so we call him Move, necessarily with a capital letter. Click on it 2 times with the left mouse button. Wait for loading to end. Erase unnecessary method and comments. Create a variable to start with. Responsible for the speed of movement. It always has to be type given navy. Call this variable speed. In the update we will track the movement itself. Since the shuffle is going on frames, create a variable move horizontal. Who will be responsible for horizontal object movement? Input.getAxis means. What are we gonna track? Keys. Responsible for the horizontal movement of the object. Also create the move vertical variable, which will track keystrokes. Responsible for vertical moving object. That is W and S. In these changes will be stored each frame motion of the object. Well, now we need to combine these movements together. For this we create a variable, which is responsible for vector 3. Let's call it movement. On the x-axis assign move horizontal. And on the y-axis, we do not need movement, so we will put 0.0f. On the z-axis assign move vertical. Thus we created a motion vector. Even if we both push the buttons at the same time, then they will change. Both change and our movement will be diagonal. Let's fix success and reproduce the result. Namely, create a movement in these areas. For this in transforms point translate. Write down the value of our vector 3. Multiply by the speed of movement. And add smooth movements. Multiply by time.deltaTime. What is time.deltaTime? As you know, there is a different characteristic of computers, game console phones and the like. Our method update on all devices will work differently. On weak computers it will work, let's say, 5 times per second. And on powerful 20. So that the code of all players in your game works the same. That is, for example, to the main character. Everyone ran at the same speed. Such a thing as time-delta-time is applied. In simple words, it multiplies your speed by time. And time is AA, we know everyone ticks the same. Save script. And go to Unity. Do not forget to transfer to the script to your object. In our case, on the protagonist. Run the game and notice that when you press the WASD buttons, that our hero moves. But not natural. It's because we haven't passed the turns and animations yet. Moving on. Here I will ask you to pause the video and try on your own, and repeat the actions we did for our main character, for the Christmas tree that we have also on stage. After you try it yourself, resume the video and check yourself. Great! If everything works, then you coped with the task. Congratulations! We learned to change the position of the object through code. In the next video, we will learn how to resize the object with help code. Subscribe if you liked the video.